Have you ever looked at a $5 bill? I mean, really looked at a $5 bill. Bet you didn't know that it said $5 all around the edge. Even when I look really close, I can't read this. With a magnifying glass, I think I might be able to see it. Maybe? How much of this stuff is hidden on our dollar bills? When I saw how much stuff was on a $5 bill, I pulled my wallet out and started taking a look at every other bill. Here's a $10 bill. I bet you didn't know it said this. The United States of America, $10. And on the back of the $10 bill, you could see all these windows. I mean, what's going on inside of this window? Couldn't believe the detail. All right, let's look at a $20 bill. So far, I'm not seeing anything amazing. Wait till you see the 50 though. I don't ever remember seeing these little numbers here, but I'm sure they've always been there. I like this gold shiny ink. I thought I might find something really cool in the eyeball, but not really. Check out this $50 bill right here. See this star-shaped thing? Unbelievable. Look at that. Would you know to look for that? Okay, now check out this edge. 50. 50, 50, 50, 50. I guess the U.S. Mint is just showing off. I guess they kind of have to. I don't see anything hidden in here, but it's neat to see it this close up. And of course, the shiny ink. This says 50. So it's just kind of fun scooting around this bill looking for stuff. It really is neat to see the detail. Now, if I take a look at the back of the bill, I didn't know there were people sitting on the stairs. I wonder if we can tell who they are. We'll just keep zooming in. I gotta say, I've never seen these little 50s right here. See these yellow 50s? I was so bummed out when that's all I had was a 50 and nobody had 100. Oh well, it was cool checking out what we had. A lot of details on these dollar bills. Well, I really appreciate your time and thanks for watching.